Today I'm going to show you how to draw this really cute helicopter. But before we do, click the link in the description below and get your Connect the Dots PDF so you can follow along and draw with me. Come on, let's get started. So we're going to start at the nose of the helicopter and go from 1 and make an arc to 4, just like this. Now I'm going to make a second arc and going all the way to number 9. Except for me, instead of pushing my pen, I'm going to pull it, so I'm going to work backwards. Can you count backwards with me from 9? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Good job! Now that was fun. Now we're going to go straight from number 9 to number 10. But I have to grab my trusty ruler because I can't draw a straight line without a ruler. Can you do it? I bet you can. So here we go, straight line. Well, so much easier with rulers. Now another straight line right here. And one more straight line. Now here's a tricky part. We're going to be doing an oval and go all the way around. So you can do it two ways. You can do it all at once, or you can do it in sections. It's up to you, whatever's easier for you. Here we go, around, up, and around the corner one more time. Oh, that was hard. Grab my trusty ruler again, and we're going to do the other side the same. So straight line to 21, and a straight line to 22. Do you know all the parts of the helicopter? Well, did you know that we just drew the main rotor? I didn't know that either until recently. Now we're going to do a few more straight lines from 22 to 23, and now 23 to 24. Now we're just going to be doing a few straight lines here all the way around. Do you know what it is we're drawing right now? Do you know what it's called? This is called the helicopter's fin. Now that we're done the fin, we're going to do one more straight line. Right here. Perfect! Now here's another tricky part. We've got a big arc to finish off our helicopter. All the way back to number 1. I'm just trying to figure out here if I want to push or pull my pen. Let's push it. And I had to stop. And if you have to stop, that's okay. You can do it in small sections. And there we go. We finished off the outline of our helicopter. Wasn't that fun? Now I'm going to draw the details of the helicopter. These are the blades. And now I'm working on the tail boom. And this here is the cockpit. That's where the pilot sits. And we're going to add a few more windows. I decided I want to make my windows curved. And now add some window highlights. And let's make our helicopter 2 different colors. Those are called landing skids. It's very important that a helicopter has those. Otherwise it can't land. Now I'm going to be coloring the helicopter, and I decided I wanted it to be orange. But you can pick whatever color you want. Ooh, this is taking a long time to color. That's a big helicopter. Now I'm just smoothing it out so it looks nice. I picked a different orange color, but I don't really like how it looks, so I think what I'm going to do is use another color over top. That's better. I like how that looks much better. Let's add a few other colors. Yellow. Oh, make the windows blue now. Now I'm coloring the blades and the skids. Once I'm done all my coloring, the next step is to do shadows, because that's what really makes a drawing look more realistic. See, some of the shadows I'm doing are underneath the helicopter, around the windows, along the edges, and of course the blades and skids. And once you're done, you can always come back and do small touch-ups to make your picture perfect. If you liked this video, please go and click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye-bye.